Here are 4 simple ways you can make your car last longer from my friends over at theintelligentdriver.com. I'll put a link to their article in the description below this video. Let's get started. Number 1 sounds simple, drive smart. To begin, take a look at your driving style and make sure that it'll work to keep your car running at its best. Some people unwittingly shorten the life of their vehicles because of the way they drive. If you are overly aggressive, then you'll be putting unnecessary pressure on your car's engine. Plus, if you're braking too late, accelerating too quickly, then you'll have a lower MPG, which will result in a much higher monthly gas bill. Instead, take things easy. Studies have shown that you don't really get places quicker by speedily taking off from red lights anyway. Number 2, take care of issues. No car is perfect. Sooner or later, you'll face issues. You may even be in a small accident, God forbid, which damages your vehicle. While sometimes it's easy to overlook a small dent for the sake of your car's lifespan, it's important to get it fixed as soon as possible. Once you overlook things like this, your standards will slip and your car will never be the same. So to ensure you're able to handle issues as and when they arrive, make sure you've got good car insurance. Number 3, vehicle updates. People don't always upgrade their vehicles because there's necessarily something wrong with the car. It can still get them from A to B just fine. The problem is that it's beginning to obviously fall behind the standards set by newer, more modern vehicles. So people begin looking at getting a new car just to play catch up, keeping up with the Joneses. One way to get around this is to give your car subtle upgrades. For example, if your car's infotainment system is too primitive, then switch it out for newer technology. Most of the technologies that are part of newer cars are available for other cars, it's just that they need to be added. And finally, clean and tidy. It's the general wear and tear that gets you if you're not careful. One way to avoid this is to stay on top of your car's cleanliness. It might not be the most exciting way to spend an afternoon, but it's really what's going to make your vehicle feel like it's newer longer. If you don't have the time, hire professionals to maybe valet your vehicle. They'll make it feel like new in a way that you thought was no longer possible. So take these tips and you'll have your car for much longer. Again, thanks to my friends over at theintelligentdriver.com. For more information on their website, check out the link below. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman Driver. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe. I'll see you next time. Adios.
One more thing before you go, I've added links to some of the best-selling automotive accessories on Amazon right now, along with links to some of my product reviews. You'll find it in the description below this video.